Its review rating is 10.0,
which is the exceptional.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The of the hotel is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings.
Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to visit, you can do so through the link provided in the description.
If you are facing any kind of problem, us by commenting it in the review. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box.
If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel.